And now preparing the polenta. I already put water here. I always make the polenta here in this iron pot. Here's the corn, and then light it up. And I have for my own recipe polenta. I put the corn from the beginning, and I'm gonna mix it with this spoon, which is all, but it's always useful. And the amount is by eye. I don't measure it. I'm gonna see when I mix it up if I put enough corn or not. And the secret to this recipe is to mix it up continuously, so it will be very homogeneous. I think I need a bit more corn. I'm a bit messy here with the corn, but I guess you don't mind that. The important is the result. I'm gonna continue mixing, and then I'm gonna show you when it's almost ready, how it should look. And I'm gonna put it next to polenta. Here it is. Now I'm gonna put the Parmigiano. Now the Parmigiano over the polenta. I like it. Parmigiano is my favorite cheese. And now I decided meanwhile, instead of using lots of cream, to use some yogurt, Greek yogurt, high in protein, because I care about my silhouette. So this is the polenta, this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed looking at me cooking, and stay tuned for more recipes. Don't forget to subscribe.